So my topic is Trichinella species. This is the content page. I'll be going over the introduction, life cycle, clinical manifestations, lab diagnosis, treatment and prevention of the disease caused by Trichinella species. The domain of Trichinella species is Eukaryota. It belongs to kingdom Animalia, phylum Nematoda, and the class is Enoplea, order Trichocephalidae, family Trichinellidae, and the genus of course Trichinella. These are some of the species of Trichinella. So I'll be going over the main disease that is caused by the Trichinella species, which is trichinellosis, also known as trichinosis. It is caused by eating raw or undercooked meats, particularly pork products, that is infested with the larva of Trichinella, specifically Trichinella spiralis. This is the life cycle of Trichinella in a flow diagram. You can go over the flow diagram on your own. So in words, the life cycle begins when a host such as human consumes a undercooked meat or raw meat which is infested with Trichinella species, the larva of Trichinella species. The ingestion of this larva causes the stomach digestive enzymes to break down the cyst, releasing the larva into the stomach and intestines. The larva mature in adult worms in the small intestine within 1 or 2 days. Male and female worms mate, which causes the male worms to die and eventually expel out of the body. Female worms burrow into the intestinal wall and release newborn larvae over several weeks. The newborn larva enters the bloodstream and lymphatic system, traveling throughout the body. The larva penetrates skeletal muscle cells and in cyst, forming protective capsules. This process usually occurs within a few weeks after infection. Encysted larva can remain viable in the host cell for several years, waiting to be ingested by another host and thus continuing the cycle. The epidemiology of Trichinella species, it varies in humans globally. However, in countries where trichinosis occurs naturally, the estimated yearly total of clinical cases is around 10,000 with a death rate of 0.2%. Clinical manifestations, there are scenarios where the of two types of scenarios where when the larva is within the intestine and the other when the larva enters the muscle tissue. The symptoms when the larva is in the intestine include diarrhea, abdominal cramps, fatigue or low energy, nausea and vomiting. Now, the symptoms that occurs when the larva enters the muscle tissue are muscle aches, pains, high fever, facial swelling, sensitivity to light, persistent eye infections, unexplained rashes, headaches, and chills. The trichinosis can be diagnosed using laboratory tests such as a serological test, including ELISA and other assays. This is used to detect the antibodies against Trichinella. Muscle biopsy, microscopic examination to identify encysted larva in the muscle tissue. It detects after 2 weeks of infestation only. Molecular techniques such as PCR and other DNA based methods can be used to confirm the presence of Trichinella species. The treatment of trichinosis is done by giving antibiotics such as anthelmintics, albendazole, and analgesics. These antibiotics either completely eliminate the Trichinella worms or they just relieve the muscle pains. The prevention, it can be prevented by cooking meat to safe temperatures, freezing meat at temperatures below -15 degrees Celsius for at least 3 weeks to kill larvae, or by practicing good hygiene and sanitation in food preparation. So the main aim is to not eat undercooked or raw meat, and the main aim is to not eat undercooked or raw meat that is infested with the Trichinella larva. These are the references for my presentation, and that's it. Thank you.